Did you know that your RDP data actually stores in a cache file, and using BMC tools you can recover it? So if you've RDP'd from someone else's machine onto another machine, they can technically recover that data, and I'm going to show how they would do that right now. I'll of course leave the location of BMC tools in the description so you can grab that for yourself. So we're going to go for Python 3 BMC tools. We've already copied that cache 00 bin into that folder, and we've created a here folder for it to go into. The -b puts it together so we can attempt to see it. So let's run that. Might want to switch into the BMC. Okay, that's going to take a minute. Then we jump into the here folder, usually at the bottom, but we can just arrange by size. That's a little tip. It's always worth waiting a few seconds because it takes a minute for it to put that all together. Then we open up and we have a kinda broken down desktop, maybe 2 monitors. Now what we can do is we can start adjusting the figures to try and get a perfect replica. I'm not sure we're going to be able to do that. Sometimes it just doesn't work, but let's give that a try and see if we can make it a bit more readable. So a complete guess, but it's 64 is the default. It looked like it was there 4 times. We're going to divide it by 4 and see if that works. And again, it doesn't always work perfectly, so we'll see if it does, and if not, we'll times it by 4 or something. And we've opened it and we have something. It's going to be too thin now. A little bit more put together, but not quite what we wanted. You can see now a bit clearer that I think they're watching the Minecraft movie on Minecraft YouTube. And there, if you look through, you can see the flag. Yeah, so 10 actually did turn out to be the best one for finding that flag. But yeah, you can have a play around with it yourself and see if you can get it spot on. I'm sure there is a setting, but we've tried many settings. So if you're enjoying this content, CTF Live trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, give us a subscribe, share the channel, and see you in the next one.